If you are tired of cold calling all day trying to land shippers, this video is for you. This one strategy I'm about to share helped me close 6 figures in freight without chasing random leads or making hundreds of cold calls. It is simple, real, and honestly something most freight brokers overlook. Stick around till the end because I will show you exactly how I turn deliveries into dollars and got shippers to come to me. Let's get into it. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Lida. I'm a former truck driver, a dispatcher, fleet manager, and the last 3.5 years I have been doing freight brokering. I have been on all sides of this industry, so trust me when I say I have done it all. When I first started, guys, I did everything the hard way. 100 plus cold calls a day. Ignored emails, getting ghosted after quoting, but something shifted when I started booking my first few lots. I realized the people my trucks were picking up from or delivering to, they weren't my customers yet. But they were someone's customer, and that someone needed freight moved all the time. So I stopped chasing strangers and I started building real relationship with people who were already involved in my shipments. And I will explain how I did it and it will make sense. So I began building relationship with the people that are already either my receiver or shipper. And that changed everything for my business and it made everything so much easier, I promise you. Here is exact process that helped me scale without cold calling. And the first one, step 1, know who you are delivering to. When your truck is heading to receiver, you are dealing with a company that needs freight moved regularly, right? Sometimes they may not be your customer today, but they can be tomorrow. So, step 2, of course, communicate during the process. Call the receiver if the shipper is your customer and receiver is not. Hey, this is Lida. I'm with this company. I'm handling this delivery for you guys. As the truck is loaded and rolling, his ETA is, let's say, tomorrow 10 a.m., right? And tomorrow you call, hey, the load has been delivered, right? And here are the pictures. Here are proof of delivery. And this is how you stay in touch. Boom, you now have a direct contact inside that company, right? Next step, of course, follow up a day or two later. Send a professional but a friendly follow-up. Thanks again for coordinating the delivery. If you ever need support moving lots like that, I would be happy to help. Or do you have any outbound freight? Keep nurturing, add them to your CRM, connect on LinkedIn, like their posts, send them helpful updates. Over time, that receiver becomes a customer. Using this exact process, I landed multi high-paying shippers. Some started with 1 lane, then turned into weekly lots, then into long-term customers. All without single cold call because I stopped chasing strangers and started turning every load into a networking opportunity and into a business opportunity. So here is a real message I use. For example, subject line, delivery complete. Thank you. Hi, my name is Lida. I just wanted to let you know the delivery to Houston, Texas to Chicago, Illinois is complete. The driver reported no issues. I have attached a copy of the proof of delivery and photos for your records. If you ever need support with similar shipments, feel free to reach out. We would be happy to help. Best, Lida. If you are not doing this, you are leaving money on the table, guys. Every load you move is a door to a potential long-term shipper. This is how you build trust. This is how you grow without begging or chasing. If you want help creating systems for this, send me a DM or check the link below. I help freight brokers, logistics companies to set up automated system and turn deliveries into clients. Thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and drop freight in the comments so I know you are serious about growing. And remember, real relationships are the best sales strategy, and talk to you soon. See you in the next one. Bye.